Okay, people. So breaking news. The Jamaican provisional shortlist, the provisional shortlist squad, up to 60 players will be published on the 18th of June. That will actually be after the friendlies. It will be published on the 18th of June. Now, people, we should look into this, right? On the 18th of June, and it's up to 60. It's up to a 60-man squad. We have to bear that in mind as well. A 60-man squad. So, could it be a case in which the players that weren't selected from the England squad are now potentially being scouted for the Gold Cup list? Can that be a case? Also, on 1st of July, it's going to be a 23-man squad, a 23-man squad selected out of that 60 or that potential 60 provisional list. So that is what we're working with now, people. I'm on the road, people, but this is good news. The mere fact that there's more players to add on to the provisional list, I'm really appreciative of that. But let's see the names that will be coming in. As he said, it's up to maximum 60 players will be published. Up to, it won't pass that. We're going to, so we will be seeing a few different faces that weren't in the shortlisted for the friendlies, as we expected, because we know a few players who are not present at this moment. But we will be seeing them. So at this point in time, we're looking forward to see that 60-man or that big provisional list, shortlist, to see how it looks and to see the quality players that are being scouted. So we'll see about that. As you know, England, as I said earlier, England published their team, and a few names that were lingering around that are considering England are not in the England team. A few names. I won't say because there's just not any hard in facts. This is just hearsay, so I won't dive down into that. But what we do know right now, as reported by Earl Bailey, that there will be a 23-man squad selected for the Gold Cup, and that selection will be coming from a shortlist which will be selected on the 18th and published on the 18th of June. That shortlist can go up to 60 personnel, 60 players, which is good news for him. I believe it's good news. So people, thank you very much for tuning in. I am on the road, but the news just dropped. You can see it right here for yourself. Where should I put it? Right here? Right here, you can see it right here for yourself. This is it. You can go and check out his Twitter account. He just dropped the news, so go and check it out, people. Military Guna TV, people. I am using my left hand. I'm out.